Hi everyone, we would like to present about national income equilibrium. In national income equilibrium, there is two approaches to determine equilibrium. First is aggregate demand minus aggregate supply. Second one is injection minus leakage. In aggregate demand minus aggregate supply approach, equilibrium occurs when AD equals to AS. Same goes to leakage minus injection approach. Equilibrium occurs when leakage are equals to injections. Next, we're going to see about consumptions. Refers to the purchase of goods and services by individual or household that are produced by firms. Y equals to C plus S. Concept of consumption is there is two. One is APC, another one is MPC. APC is average propensity to consume. Another one is marginal propensity to consume. Next, we're going to see about the investment. There is two types of investment. First is autonomous investment, is fixed and independent of income. Next one is induced investment, which depends on the national income. Next, we're going to see about the government sector. Government sector includes all the institutional units consisting of the central government, state governments, and local governments. The government and its institutions act as regulators. They issue various regulations and policies to influence economic activity.
The foreign sector includes import and export goods and services as well as capital movement in the connection with the investment and banking transaction. The foreign sector, together with the personal sector, corporation sector, financial sector, and public government sector, makes up the national economy. Equilibrium two-sector economy. The two-sector economy comprises of household and firms. According to J.M. Keynes, the equilibrium level of a national income is that situation in which aggregate the demand C plus I is equal to aggregate supply C plus S. The aggregate demand C plus I refer to the total spending in the economy. In a three-sector economy with the government spending and the zero taxes, equilibrium national income is determined when the aggregate supply equals aggregate demand. That is to say, equilibrium national income is determined at the point when C plus I plus G line cuts the 45-degree line. Equilibrium sector for sector economy in the equilibrium national income is determined when aggregate demands equally aggregate supply. This means that when C plus 1 plus G plus bracket X minus M line cuts the 45-degree line. Equilibrium national income is determined 3.22 is the equilibrium point when the economy does neither export or import.
Hi, so today I'm going to explain about the calculate of past questions to sector 2. So this is the questions got A, B, C, D, 4 questions. So today I'm going to show you how to calculate the sector 2 questions. First is calculate the value of marginal property to consume and marginal property to save. So first is going to provide the changes as divide by changes y equal to is 100, y is 500, so you will get the 0.2. And this is not a fully marked, we're going to calculate the MPS. So MPS is MPC equal to 1 minus MPS. So you will get the 0.8. So this is, you will get 2 marks fully. So next we're going to question B. State the consumption and savings function. So this S equal minus A plus 1 minus B YD. So minus 100 plus 0.2 YD. Another one what we're going to do is C equal to 100 plus 0.8 YD. Therefore this formula is C equal A plus B YD. So you just convert the minus 100 into A and the MPC answer 0.8 YD. So you get the 2 marks fully for this question B also. For question C is calculate the value of average property to consume APC and average property to save APS and consume of 500. So we're going to do first APS equal to S divide Y. S is 0, divide 500 equal to 0. So APC equal to 1, 1 minus APC, 0 convert to 1, so you will get the 1. And this answer is 0, 0, 1, so you will get the fully marked 2. The last question is calculate the value of consumption and savings at income of 1000. So see the diagram, S is 100, C equal to Y minus S equal, and we will get 900. 900. So that's all. Thank you.
So I'm going to explain the tree sector. These are the questions. The first one is the following table shows the equilibrium level of a tree sector, and then the given investment 25 million, government expenditure 100 million, taxes 100 million. So after you complete the table, these are the 3 questions B, C and D, and these are the answers to how to finish the question, so how to solve the question. So these are the answer and steps and the formulas.